Hello everybody and welcome to another video. I'm Alex and Tuna. Today I'm just gonna jump into plasticity. I want to I gotta get back into making stuff in here. I'm a little rusty, so I'm gonna make something. Or I was. What happened to the box? Where's my box? Alright, let's escape. Something happened there. Snaps. Let's get something built. Let's go 12 by 12 by 12 and we'll just shape it here. There's no references today. Just gonna model. I don't really have a plan. I'm just gonna see what we can come up with. I'm thinking more like a computer tower. I'm going with that. So we can mirror this to the side. Well, let's just keep going with this. Let's scale this down. Ooh, wrong button. Scale. And bring it in. About 60. Thinking kind of like a sci-fi looking box. We'll just kind of go with this. We're going to go start cutting some stuff. Let's get some cuts going. Get something here. I'm just gonna freestyle this. Yeah. We don't need that. So what we got? Don't need this. Or do we? Could be a panel. Let's remove it. See what happens. Let's go slice this mesh. I think maybe you can kind of come down. Just kind of freestyling it. Freestyle. Alright. Let's see what we got. Press C to cut. Yes. Enter. That was crooked. Let's not do that. Let's do this again. Let's go straight down. I can do it so it's not crooked. This and grab it, pull it down. That works a lot better. Cut, object, cut this, cut. There we go. Told you I'm a little rusty, a little bit. We're gonna go here, select this mesh, delete. Select this. Let's go ahead and mirror it over. Get a look going, merge halves, press OK. What else we got? So we got like a little bit of a slice here, and maybe we can pull this up a little bit, just a little bit. Keep that going. Maybe I'll slice something there and go with this. So let's see if I can do something. We'll go with this slice again. But we're gonna make it a little higher. Grab this, G, go there, and let's cut. Grab the edges and then cut. Alright, it cut. So we got that. We don't need this. Remove. Let's see what we're gonna do with this piece. We can scale it in and see what it does. Just these little wings, just kind of give it a little shape. Okay, what do we see? I don't know what we see yet. We're gonna go ahead and grab one of these in the center. We'll go ahead and make a little area right here. Let me see that. We cut this. Oh, wrong thing. Cut this one. And then we'll cut this one too. Grabbing it. It's okay. Yeah, so both pieces are there. Let's remove this. select. Okay, so we grab these face, and let's see where we're gonna go with that. I want to kind of like a, if you're trying to get inside of my head what I'm thinking, it's just a little bit blocking out like a computer tower, but a sci-fi machinery. And we'll start getting the blocked in shape here. Let's see what we got. Let's extrude this back. What's going on there? Oh, because it's not one group. So let's do this. Let's grab this and that and merge together. It's okay. So now that should be one piece, right? Now it shouldn't really be an issue. Let's see what's in there. So now we got like a box, and we can probably bring those together too, so that those are one. So now it goes all the way through, and now I can just actually just move it if I really want to. I don't know if that looks like a computer tower. Let's just push it forward then. Doesn't really matter. So we got that. Okay. So I'm gonna get some cuts going in here. Let's get a cut. Could look a little more something, a little more interest. I don't know. Gonna see where it goes. Again, I'm just trying to freestyle it right now. Just feeling it out. Put this back. That can be like computer vent right there. And if we really want, yeah, we'll commit this. We're gonna push this back in a little bit. Just give a little more interest. Then we got a little highlight. This could be a building really if we wanted to. It's looking that way. I'm gonna grab this. We're gonna mirror this on the X. There we go. And we'll go ahead and mirror this so we can kind of see what we're doing. And press OK. Everything's going good. Something here. Like this. So we're going to offset it. There's O. And I can see this is kind of like a little thing coming here. Just a little detail. Nothing crazy. Right, and let's see if this will let me play nicely with it. Nope, a little too much. No, let's see if that worked. It did a little bit. I was trying to like make an angle just enough to where it didn't go straight back, and from there. But I don't know if I like that. Maybe let's do this just a little bit tighter. Need something, a little lip there, right? And then we're gonna push this in. I said this in, and we'll go from here. Let's see if we can grab this little circle and just a little bit. There you go. As you can see a little bit of that bevel or that edge. I don't know if, just did it. Let's do that again. Let's see if it worked. Okay, push OK, commit. I'm gonna grab this face, press G, and see if I drag it up just to give it a little bit of breathing room. So we kind of go right there. What else do you see? See anything of interest? Let's get rid of this side. Move it. We're gonna mirror, and press OK. So now we kind of got that. A little bit of more interest on the bottom. This right here. Let's see. Just kind of slope it down. So we get does that work? I don't know. What do you think? We could probably use this for like little port drives or even little buttons maybe on the side, But what I don't like is this harsh edge. So I'm gonna grab this and try to see if we can smooth that out. Yeah, a little bit like that. Let's see if I can get it just right. Give it a little edge. See what you see. Okay. Kind of a computer tower. It's gonna be a real busy computer tower. I guess in the future, you know, you gotta have that interest. So let's see what we can do with this. Make this interesting. Let's see what I can do. Grab this and that and make them one. So that now whenever I grab this part, it doesn't do that. Try to pull everything together. And let's see if I can incrementally get something. Let's see. G, and we can go maybe -2. This way we can keep it in the, no, too much. Okay, 1.5. Let's keep it with something classy. What else do we see? We see this right here. I actually wouldn't mind just dragging that up. What do you say about 125? Merge, yes. Okay, kind of doing a little simple today. It's been a little bit from modeling inside of this program, and I'm rusty. I should have. I need to do better, right? I gotta do better. So let's see. Here to there. Cut. Okay. So used to when I have Blender, do that cut like that. Let's do this. Let's get that line and do it this way. Snap. And then I can use this to cut down. Okay. Remove this. No cut line. It's not gonna let me cut that way. It's okay. I'm not gonna let it tell us what to do. Let's do this. It's not the boss of us. Cut. Mesh. Okay. And then I can get rid of this. But really, all I wanted to do was just drag that down. So about half. This could be interesting here. Let's see how we can do this. Maybe both of these edges. Nah, it breaks it a little bit. We can figure something out. Just keep going, keep playing around, getting the feel for whatever this is, this computer tower thing. Is this separate? Let's see. Yeah, that's okay. Let's give it a little bit of a box. What do you think? Yeah. If this is separate, let me see what I got. It's not separate, but we can do. Let's just do this. Just a little. to the grid. Let's see what we got. Let's turn on this. And there. And then go halfway. Well, I'll drag it in a minute. And then I'll just go here and we'll just see what it does. Just enter. Just edit this. Grab that. I'm telling you. Just trying to get a little. See if that cut. Nope. All right, let's grab this. Press C. Select that. Okay. Good. Grab this. Delete. Now I can grab that. So tell it you're not the boss of me. Just enough. There we go. And then press OK. We're gonna grab this. See, just kind of doing a little bit of a simple model. Doesn't hurt. So just get off the days, the months of not jumping in for a little bit. Just kind of wanna, have a little fun. Can't be too serious all the time, right? No reference, no nothing. Just kind of, just a little freestyle. You know what I used to do for learning ZBrush? I would do like a daily sculpt, and this is pretty much what that's gonna be right now. It's like it's a daily. You just kind of jump on it every day, just a little by little, and that kind of helps you to get where you need to be. Ooh, wrong button. Wrong button. Where did you go? There you go. Just a little bit of a small details here and there. Okay, so let's see. Where can we cut? We need to do some cuts. Let's do a cut here, and let's grab this. Okay, inset it or offset it. One way, which way? There we go. Here we go, and it could probably be like a little screen. Just thinking out loud. Should in or out? What does that feel like? Okay. See if the scale will work on this side. Nope. So what we're gonna do is grab this edge and that edge. So just grab one edge, just push it in, and we'll make that quarter. Press OK. Select the main mesh and mirror. Yes, and OK. So there we go. So I'm thinking like with the old towers, I used to have an open thing. You know, things are so minimal now that it doesn't really matter, right? So we can push everything in. There you go. So you didn't expect that one, right? This is before, right? How does that feel? Feels pretty good. Let's go 75. There you go. So now you kind of get a computer tower feeling from this. Let us see. Let's see. We can probably make let's draw a box. Let's just draw something simple here. We're gonna go about right there. See what we can do with this. It can be like a handle. It can be, I don't know. Let's figure it out. Let's see what we can do with this. We can push this that way, and just grab that edge. Nope. Let's grab the face, push it in, press OK. Grab this face, push that up. Now you kind of got like a handle, so you can carry this if you need to, but I don't like how flat it is, so we're gonna make it slick. gonna get that one, this one, that one, and make it a little like that. So press OK, and let's go ahead and grab these areas here. Let's go ahead and give it a little bit of a little soft feel to it. Alright, how does that feel? Alright, let's do this. Let's notch this part. Where's the isolate? We're going to do this. Since it's on the center, we're going to drag, press C, and about right there. Oop, too much. Just drag it up. And let's do this X-ray. Go press OK. We're going to grab this, press C, select that, OK. Simple. We're just doing kind of basic operations. Here's nothing fancy. Just trying to give a little TLC. So turn off that. So now if we get out of isolated mode, if I were to look at the material, and let's turn off the edges too. Just get a little look at it. So start to feel how it's looking. Don't like whatever's happening here. So let's see what kind of material I got. If I got a better one to look at it. Ooh, look at that. It's a little basic. And let's see what else. What else do I have? Look at that strippy. I always like this one. This is kind of a straightforward. Let's get the show edges again. Let's look at it. Stormtrooper material is really what I think of that. Got the stormtroopers. Your father fought in the Clone Wars. And you know the rest. Unless you didn't watch the movie, then. Alright, let's go cut. Cut this. Okay. And we don't need that cutter. Let's remove it. Select. Done. And I like this kind of a something there. Just how far back? Yeah. And we can go with this. And this doesn't have to be a computer. I'm just thinking like, you know, computer box. Sometimes you see those crazy computer boxes, but it doesn't have to be a computer. It can just be some kind of sci-fi thing or whatever. Let's go ahead and connect this to that. That might help a little bit. Or what do you think? This model, let's see, grab it, let's see what it looks like. It's got two pieces. Three? Yeah, there's 1, 2, 3. Let's see. Let's connect these two together so that we can start doing some little bit more detail. Really not too focused on the back. We're just doing a lunchtime little thing here. And just seeing where everything goes. Like even this, we can just, well, I said we're not going to focus on the back, and here I'd add in something. So I can just kind of push this maybe there, maybe in. Maybe that can be a fan vent or something. And then go a little bit ways. And these two pieces can be like the little intake thing. As long as I don't get too distorted. Let's see what we got. And yeah, there. So you got like a little bit of a back. So maybe I add some little cords or cables and go from there. Make a bevel. Fillet, fill it. I said fillet. And let's grab these two pieces, push them in like that. I like it. Let's see if these are two pieces. Yeah. So what we can do is, want that to be a little interesting. Push that. Go from there. The top is a little flat, right? Let's see. Wouldn't mind seeing this piece and that piece. Let's see if I can grab them. grab that piece. You know what I haven't done is saved, but it's okay. We're not worried about it. It's just a freestyle today. We're just freestyling it, and then gonna see where we end up. Just with all this stuff going here. Maybe there. And commit it. And I think this part, if it allow me to make it look interesting. Yeah, right there. Just nope. I can't see. How's that look though? Does it work? Let's go this other material. Yeah, look at that. A little bit could work. Those could be speakers. Those could be a spot for LEDs. So right now we mainly got hard surface and kind of going there. Let's add some circles. Can never have too many circles, right? Let's see. Will that circle help anything in that spot? No, I don't think so. Let's do this. Let's do one here. And this can be, I don't know, maybe right there. And then I'll just commit it to this and just that part. Let's see if it works the way I think it should. So this part can be pushed in. It's like a little circle area or out. Yeah, that kind of works, right? I wonder what the dogs are barking. It's always, usually the neighbor's dogs, when they bark, something's out there. Something's walking or doing something. The other day the dog got in my trash. That was no fun. No fun at all. But, alright, so we got this and offset this just enough. And see, I think go back and we can start to get a little edge. Yeah, look at that. So, but I'm getting close to the end of my lunch. I'm just trying to, like I said, like a daily. I used to do this with ZBrush. I need to start doing that with Plasticity. I do want to jump back on that kaiju model, but for now, I need to expand on my stuff. Okay, so I'm getting about to the end of it. I've added a few details. I just wanted to get something started, just trying to get a simple sci-fi looking computer tower. I think once I start adding some textures too, it could kind of vary it up. Look, this right here, it speaks to me. Let's see. And see, there you go. So now you got like a little shadow line right there. And the only part that doesn't look as interesting as this. And let's see. Where you at? Where did my face go? There it goes. I'm gonna go this face and see if I can do this edge. There we go. There and I don't know. Let's see. What does that have? Just a little lip, right? And then I go here, push this in just slightly. And the side looked a little boring, so just trying to make a little interest there. So now I got this, and so we can grab this one. This one down here, and then remove mirror. And okay. So now a little bit of a slice. If we really want to, let's see. interesting. Yeah, we'll go with that. Put it at 0.5 and put this there. And let's see if that'll go down too. 0.5. Then we kind of got like a little bit of a, I don't know, edge, something, something there. It could be like a vent. We'll put a little vent here, like if I'm thinking out loud of for something, and then that way it can breathe, because machines need to breathe, right? And then we can put like an array in there later on if we really want to, and start going there, or we can divide it up and go from there too. So just a little thinking there. This right here, let's offset it anyway, and okay, and extrude just enough. Don't really need nothing crazy, and press this back with that. Oop, too much. We're gonna grab it, push it back, just so it's in set, and then we can always connect this with that and this, and go Q, okay. So far nothing's really said no with how this model's gone, so it's pretty good. A little good lunch session, and just trying to get something going. And after this I could just kind of put it in there. I don't know, just trying to get a little bit of the get back into Plasticity. I love this program. It's just been so busy jumping in other programs and going from there, and it's always tricky trying to maintain updates and everything else, because all this technology, it moves so fast. You can only go so much and learn one at a time, or keep up with whatever your project is working on. It gets a little tricky with all that, but it's okay. It keeps us on our toes, right? And most people, whoever follows this channel, probably understands that. It's just, yeah, just trying to keep up with the moving industry. It's always going to keep moving, and it doesn't really slow down. I don't think it's ever slowed down. I just gotta jog faster, jog a little faster. So let's see how that looks. That could be interesting too. I dig that, like little skinny kind of machine looking thing. But let's see, just a little bit off the top, So I don't know. 0.8. I think so. No, we'll keep it like that. So I'll go ahead and call it for the lunch little session of doing this, and maybe just kind of hopefully keep this momentum going here too. I just like anything else, gotta keep on learning. Can't stop learning. You just gotta do it when you can. Fit a little lunch session or something in there, because just like I said, it moves fast, and just gotta get it in there. Yeah, a little edge. I don't know if that's gonna work, but we'll wait on that. So, all right, that's it for my little lunch session today. Just trying to jump in here. Nothing crazy. Main tools was using this, and this is simple today, right? All I did was use the rectangle and use that to select it, press C, select the mesh, and cut it. And that's really most of the tools today. I didn't want to get too crazy and try to fumble around. Just starting simple, little. And then the other one is just grabbing edges and push them forward and push them back. Again with this, up and down, whatever. Basic getting back into it. So all right, I'll catch you on the next video. Hope you'll have a good day. Later.